Here again and Moa at Goa. Moa at Goa. There's so many people. Kind of dark from my camera. I'm only using my phone. So there's Pam, the others. I'm gonna look for my other friends. Just trying to look around. Ooh. There's so many stuff. 115 over there. And here's my friend. Hi. I'm taking a video. And there's my friend Daigo. Yo, what's up? And here's my friend. Oh, damn it. Please stop hugging me. Oh, damn it. Oh, I'm glad. Oh. I'm gonna just look around and video stuff. Come on.
Oh.
Another One Piece team is over there.
Ano ako nakakos na ngayon?
Another One Piece team is over there. That guy. So many people. There's so many people. People around. Just look at this. Let's look at the canteen. Wow. I can see many of my cosplay friends here. I mean, that's good. There is so many people. And that's my friend Jovi. That's my friend Jovi. Yo, the there's so many people just laughing, just and my friend taking a video here. Looking around. La 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 la. There's soldier guy dancing and a mummy dancing again. There's Faye, another friend, Lua, and it's Adventure Time. And then they're dancing. Cool. They're dancing. Woo! You rock, dude. You rock. People in here are having fun. Even sitting in the floor is having fun. Oh, no face. And Andy and the others. I think this is the last part of the event. And here's my friend. Hi. I think that's it. I cannot go inside because I don't have any tickets. So I'm gonna end the video. Bye.